Well, good morning, everyone. Welcome back. Today, we are going to tackle a larger subject, something that many of you probably have thought about or discussed before, and that has to do with this enlightening concept of trust. And it's not about trust in the outside world, because that's mighty unpredictable, isn't it? But it really is about trust in yourself. Trust in yourself to wake up in an ordinary fashion, day to day, feeling grateful, confident, and much more eager for each day than maybe you have in the past. Now, don't be fooled to think that this is easy, because it is not. Many of your institutions, whether they are faith-based or school, public school, parochial school, our families, would resign you to looking to a higher authority to determine what is potentially best for you given your life's journey. You might have heard these proverbial phrases like, you must do this, you must obey the rules, you must achieve, you must be a good mother or a good provider, or many, many, many other topics. The list goes on ad infinitum. But what brings us here today is to talk about you, and to talk about the who you were, who you are, that intrinsic fundamental state of being you. That is what needs to be unlocked in order for those steps of encouragement to be made day to day, hour by hour, minute by minute, so that you become trusting in your instincts and how to achieve wellness, how to gain the knowledge that you'd like to gain, how to be a good friend, how to set boundaries. The list goes on and on. And what you will learn is that you can indeed trust yourself to do this. That's all for today. Be well. Know yourself well. And of course, as always, all is well.